Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Zombie Steve from Roblox Bakon. So once again, here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this, I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath, and this one is a very cool looking character. So to begin with this character, I'm going to draw in the overall head shape first. So I'm just going to draw in one curve on the top. So this is going to be top of the head, but also the bottom of the hat. And then from here, just come straight down. So this is going to be the side of the head. Okay, so we won't close this first because we're going to have to draw in the tongue. So from this bracket right here, now we can draw in his eyes. So right on the top area right here, I'm just gonna draw 2 circles. And then to finish up the eyeball, draw another circle closer to the inside edge. And we're gonna give him those crazy eyes, so I'm gonna draw a little dot inside. Alright, and then for the eyebrows right here, just kind of come up from the center right here on the side, just kind of slant up. Alright, so from here, let's go ahead and finish up the mouth, and then we'll draw in the hat. So right in the middle, just come down, just draw a little angle like this. And then from the corners here, we'll curve all the way up. So this is going to be the upper lip. Curve back down. So with this gap in here, I'm going to draw in his tongue. So just curve up, connect that, And then now from these corners right here, just curve to this side and then just kind of round it out. And then let's add in one little line right here. Okay, so now we can close up the face right here. So right here on the edge, just gonna round it out. Just close it off right behind the tongue. So this whole thing is almost like a little box. Okay, so now to draw the hat, and for the hat we're gonna draw the same curve as this, but just up here. And just draw a lot longer. Okay, and then from the ends right here, just come in all the way here behind the head. And then for the top of the hat, come straight up here. Let's draw two little slants. And then again, just round off the top. Alright, so that's the head, and now let's move on to the body. Again, really wide body. Right here on the head, we'll slant down for his shoulders. Come straight down. This is gonna be to his armpit right here. And then now we're just gonna pinch it in to the waist. Nice and small right here, and then just close it off. And then for his shirt or his jacket right here, just one curve coming down. Same thing on this side. And then for the shirt inside, just one little curve. Alright, so for this one, let's go ahead and finish up the legs first, because the arms are really big. Alright, so right in the middle right here, just come down, draw a little line. Start on the side here, just bracket down. And then on the inside, same thing, just kind of pinch it in. This is going to be his knee. Okay, and then for his legs, just flare out slightly. Just curve and then just kind of straighten out this line right here. And then now for his foot, just kind of draw a dome shape. Okay, and then for this one's a little bit different. This one we're just gonna bracket down about halfway, close it off first. So this is supposed to be a skeleton right here, but we'll just keep it simple. We'll just come all the way down here. Continue down, just stop a little bit short, and then we're drawing the foot right here. Just curve out and then just close it off. Alright, so now let's draw in the massive arms, and we'll draw in this one first. So here again, here's the armpit. Start right here. Just one big bump right here. And then now for the bicep, start in the armpit. Curve. So just a bracket right here, that's gonna be the bicep. For the lower arm, flare out. So we're right around here. Curve in, and this one's almost straight down. And now let's draw in the hand. So for this one, start on the thumb. One little hook. Just draw a little line inside here. And then here's the back of the hand. So this is gonna be where the fingers start. So I'm gonna start on the outside, just curve, just round it out, and then go back up. And then for the other fingers right here, I'm just gonna add one little angle. And then for the shirt line right here, I'm just gonna add a little zigzag line all the way across. Alright, so now let's draw in the other arm. So again, here's the armpit. Same thing here, shoulder. Just one big bow, just like this one. And then for the biceps, gonna be the same. Just one big bracket, and then this one's got the shirt kind of rolled up, so we'll close it off. Just draw another bracket and then close it off again. Okay, so we're down here, and then now for the bone part, so it's gonna be a lot skinnier. Just draw 2 lines coming down, close it off. And right here, just add in a little egg shape. Okay, so now we can draw in the fingers. So this one's slightly different. It's gonna be a little bit sharper. So just come out and then come down. Go back up, nice and sharp here. And then just come across. Start on this side right here, the back. Come down. And then on this one, just come down, meet up right around here. And then now for the fingers, we'll start on the outside. It's kind of one little hook. And we'll connect to this, again, nice and sharp on the tip. Okay, and then for the other fingers, make it nice and sharp as well. Okay, and I think I almost forgot one of the coolest part, which is gonna be his teeth right here. So these are really easy. Just draw a bunch of little angles right here. And you can draw more, but I have a Sharpie, so I can't draw it too small. And that is it for this zombie Steve. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.